Now this got time of brain, yo. Beautiful lady, yo. That kind of Africa lady, yo. Aye. I sing the song for Kanya. And I dance in the dance for Kanya, oh. I would do anything for Kanya. And I thank the Lord for Kanya. I would lie, but I feel like for you. I want it to happen. Get up down for you.
Good evening and welcome on Top the Night Show. My name is Nedu. My name is Nedu. Me and our caretaker son, Easy Beat, does it up for Inside Studio. Cheers. To make sure so your evening goes sweet away. Happy weekend to everyone of us. Most of us will turn up this night, turn up. I beg, if you know say you not get money, not turn anything up, leave and where you did, don't turn it. Yeah, rap here, just leave and where you did, don't turn anything because to avoid the issues that touch. Don't be on Monday night, you can't carry phone, the pig your friend, anything for the boys. No, nothing for the boys, so nothing for the boys. Anyway, when I welcome on Top the Night Show, before we enter the night show proper today, we get guests for today's show. Before we invite the guests, make it come sit down. I don't know, you know, say, what is the botanical name of Papa?
Papa.
What is the botanical name of Papa?
Papaya.
Papaya.
You get one that they call before the Papa, Abi?
Oriza papaya.
Oriza papaya.
Karika papaya. Na Oriza sativa. Na me rice. Hey, we go school. So this guy in name na Papa. Now FANZY papaya.
FANZY Papa.
FANZY in other words.
FANZY
But when
Papa.
the child and now looking say finish. It think up. What name am I going to call myself as an artist? Papa.
One Papa.
Papa man, yeah, Papa man. No, because Papa is good.
Papa is good.
But we need to add something in front of the Papa. Waiting here, fancy. The person can say that fancy, it is one kind. Change the C to Z. So that it could be fancy. Now you can check FANZY papaya. Now in name now as an artist. Now FANZY papaya. Anyway, we're back more chicken break. When we come back, we'll go start to the opening story of today. We'll get one story. Very, very important story. To all of you we don't marry. All of you we won't marry. Tomorrow na marriage, Saturday, when we say people go do wedding, think about it. It could maybe you. It could happen to you. But anyway, they come back still on Top of the Night Show.
Feel the vibe. It's the band on the beat.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's FANZY papaya.
Not be the small Papa for film. No, and this one is a FANZY Papa. But before we face FANZY Papa, I have a story to talk about. This one, a day before yesterday, when we Wednesday, now I see him. I say I must talk about him. Easy Pete.
Talk to me, Baba.
One man now go court to go say he no one marry wife again because of why?
Why?
Ask me why.
Why?
Ask me why.
Why?
Where John will ask me again.
Why?
Now, the husband complains, every time we're in one wipe, we're in one touch like the wipe website, a wipe they ask him for money. Apart from say wife go ask him for money, say in wife go carry juju, rub for the junction before he enter there. So therefore, he no want again. Why he go to pay in wife for wiping? When now I for just go outside to go wipe. Why wife go put juju there? So I can't begin thinking. If he be said the woman never retire proper, From work where even they do before.
Hey.
He could maybe. I don't know where. Now the second juju part of one. Why should they rub juju for there? I don't know. Ask yourself.
You know, maintenance. To scare.
Maybe the juju.
To scare Baba
maybe
away.
the juju na for maintenance. So that maybe the juju go help the man.
Oh shit.
So that he go be like Lionel Messi.
If the man sneak enter go.
If the man sneak enter, the goal go count. Goal line technology don't go cancel him out. So that when the man enter, the goal line technology go count am well. Anyway, after I don't talk that one, all of now where the marriage, ask your wife. Which way your wife feel not collect money at the point of entry? Because some people, now when they want enter the country, because you know some country now when you enter their airport they go collect visa.
Yeah, immigration, everything.
Immigration. Some you go collect visa for your country before you go
Before
the
you
country.
go there.
Now this woman own. Now for the entry of the country they collect visa before you enter. Ask yourself, your wife, how your wife they collecting own? Because some women then they use backyard door.
In another way.
In another way.
Maybe
When the man don't enter finish. You can't collect them as hidden charges.
Hidden charges. You know go sound.
You know go see.
Don't put one big name.
The big name. Baby, or boo boo. That thing you promised me. That time the man no get choice. The guy go down carry the man phone. Transfer the money. The man go pay the password. Pay 1 million, they don't enter.
Bow.
How you think they do your own? Are you guilty? But anyway, join us as we welcome Fancy Papaya. Why they give us back now?
That's what I give you now. Why will give you back?
My brother, you like to give back.
Why will give
I
you
don't
back?
suspect you.
Almost.
I don't suspect this back way they give.
Back
Are
as
you
you.
sure you are not in the league of them?
My name
I
na
don't want
front.
to begin call them.
Front to I sabi front to where I don't know back.
Oh, it's a bit front way.
Front na the game.
From the game.
At the straight word now.
You
front.
don't know back. So who be the people who know back?
Them they backyard now.
No. As you talk say you don't know back. Let me say you know people who know
I
back.
dey hear back. I never know. I just
So
dey hear
who
back.
be the people?
I don't know. They be like say
Just
them
give me
dey
one
back.
name.
I don't know.
Then they island for Lagos. I mean, then they mainland.
They sing or
I
they
know-
act.
sing.
I
I
don't
play
even
they
know
sing.
whether they this night just easy. You know them.
When I don't know.
No, you they ask
we don't
now.
know.
I don't know. I don't know them.
You know
You be like
them?
say no. They call them now for if you know them.
Papaya. But no vex. So you nigga wanna be cool. What make you not think of name, any name for this world? Where you want give yourself? Oh, where would papaya? Papa?
No problem. I like popo well. As I like popo.
You know where those are say. I like papa. It be like person we like woman well. You see, I like woman well. No.
No, that one are for you now.
For me.
No, you like the Wait you like.
But me? No,
As
I
you
like
don't
my
like
work.
woman.
Why they do?
You like work where they
I
do.
like my work. Why they do?
No, only the work you did.
Soft work.
Just soft work.
Soft work.
Now I work.
You know they do hard work.
Now they do hard work. Just soft
You
work.
know they do medium work.
I don't do me don't work. No, as my name no be Papa.
No problem.
I do soft work. Me and Izzy be na soft work we they do. So what did make you give your name Papa? Fancy Papaya.
Make be say the name na fancy. I been there one corner they hear when you dey talk and say I choose it the other way. Adam, join them. The papaya na surname to fancy.
Okay.
My name na fancy.
Okay.
As I get the fancy as stage name, I just need to add them surname. Na papaya as I like popo where. I like
But
popo.
why come why? Hey! Signs of empire. Say people as I like
As
Papa
I like
well.
popo where, I just touch my. Okay, you don't touch yourself. As
No,
I like
now.
popo. As I like
If I
popo.
say I like
If
Papa
I have to
well,
say, if you have to say, as I like Papa
As I like
well.
Papa well.
But why can't say, my name not fancy, but as I like Papa well.
Well, that's all. Okay, as I like popo where. This one, though.
My brother, you need Jesus. Now, maybe I ask you, where you from? Where you from originally?
I'm from Uga in Anambra. Anambra. State.
Where?
Uga.
Oga, where be Oga?
Uga is there Anambra. If you enter Anambra, Uga popular.
So if I just enter Anambra, I beg I dey go Oga.
Okay.
Straight.
I can just see myself for Oga.
No wahala, nothing do you.
But wait, you be like person who don't try different business. You don't sell a recharge card, they not work. You don't get shop for Pound Road, apa? You know what? You can't get it for Up Way.
I don't sell, no.
That'll be wake up with that.
Don't be wake up. Anyway, Moko watch video of Papaya. I will watch one of the video. When we come back, we go begin to ask Papaya question. Hey!
Papaya, do.
Papaya, wait, make I ask you one question now.
Oh, yeah.
You see, I noticed something.
Wait, you notice?
That girl that Papaya girl. Now the Papaya girl now. Amen. The girl will get bright future and pleasant past. You know, yeah, her future is very bright. Yeah, her past very pleasant. Now I want to ask you one question. After that, when we wanna shoot the video to start with?
Now for Lagos, yeah.
For Lagos, yeah. Now I think na Avalon talking drums then shoot the video. Now when we finish shoot the video?
When we finish shoot down.
Like the night.
Whether
time.
day or night.
Whether during for day or for night.
Now for night.
Which time for night?
Now around after 11.
After 11. Now for mainland, not been for island.
After island.
Island. Now that you see, they say the Bible says that we should look out for our.
Look out.
Be your neighbor's keeper. That what be that girl name? Flavor video.
I don't know her name.
What be that girl name?
I don't know her name.
You don't know her name?
I just.
Okay, so after that video now.
Avalon carried it.
Now you carry the girl come. So after the video now.
Avalon carry and go.
You can't carry and go.
In this and I know as the girl take go.
Okay.
After the video shoot, I was very, tired.
Tired.
Yeah.
So what think happen? You can't go house.
Now I come drink water and I eat.
You didn't water eat.
Eat. Go shower now. You
So,
know,
for shower for bush, when I shoot finish. You know, say for all that video. Now only that bush part they shoot for night. Meanwhile, inside they finish 11 o'clock. So, he can't shoot finish. Director, come carry the girl go inside bush. Him now, come chop, drink water, chop inside bush.
Come bath.
Come shower. No, he not say bath. If not bath, you get different. He say, hey, shower for inside bush. You see, you look up, you see mark for our face. You see mark for easy beat face.
Mark, no, they my face.
You will be here now. When I call so say that girl go house. Meanwhile, I see when the girl can't give you drum in. I bet that part where that girl come up from inside house, where her husband there inside. Where I beg if you show me that part, please. Kesolo, I know you can do this. You have the can do spirit. That part, I know say Kesolo they like all those things.
No, Kesolo they like them.
Kesolo they always
Which
like.
part,
Yeah, wait. Yeah, why your chain? They always disturb this microphone. Now, Kesolo, help me if you can get that part. When the guy come with you, after they hug you like that, he can't come here. They see two men where they here. Say the guy go.
Which part did you talk?
Which part? No, I trust Kesolo. He will bring it out. He will bring it out. Before then, make I ask you one question now. Now, use your music. You know, sure say you they sound like Flavour. Una two, can't they sound as if say una two na? Maybe it's just people not gonna confuse una two.
People they talk but me I know they take them as compliment. Now my oga, I've been there under insurance.
Hey, no wonder. So now you copy him.
Me copy him.
Now he say na your oga. Eight person na apprentice.
For the fact say I feature him for song.
Oh, you feature him for song.
Yeah,
oh, you get song where you feature him. Oh.
Yeah, Paulina, my first song. You understand? So after the whole thing,
when you get there, let me know. Continue.
So after the whole thing, we just did like family. Just they support me, they help me.
See this part. so you tell me say after all this part, say you still leave the girl go.
And everything just ended. Now film now. This is not movie.
You know the person who I respect till tomorrow. We don't talk through for this scene. You know Addiction Twins. The boy. Now in talk true.
Okay.
He say after the video. Say then go somewhere.
Okay. No.
Same calling number.
In collect number.
Okay. Which kind of truth we want here for this?
No, just tell me the original truth.
The original one.
The original one, yeah.
That's something we me and you go talk after.
So you see, original truth today. Oh, Jehovah.
Which guy to the guy? You need
if I not talk at now.
you need the semi-original. I mean, the one where carry level.
You see, let me tell you, you see this guy. You see, this gold hair we're getting for nothing.
No,
This
no,
spirit releases things to us. Yeah, I know. You guys like say Katim not there here. That one before you see that, she don't tell you your life. You have died. Everything. Now, make I ask you, you say that because say you did under Flavour.
Okay, no be.
Okay, no be say like say you did under.
I do under. I tell you say na my oga. So you understand when I do work with them.
Okay.
I just dey like family to them.
Okay.
In the Enugu, I do Onisha.
Okay. So
Me
you
and the younger brother na my friend.
Okay.
You understand? So from there I come know him, come meet Flavour.
Okay.
So like play, I joined the family.
Tonight
Entertainment. Yeah. There was nothing like official signing. To tonight. You just they help. Say this one boy where they do music. You understand? You like my song.
Yes.
They advise me too. You understand?
Okay.
So after the whole thing, we can do Paulina together.
Okay.
Now Paulina my second single.
Okay.
So I follow him.
This one and this Toyin Tomato na your first single.
No, I get one first track where I don't do, but you know I know to push out.
You know to push out.
You understand? So after the whole thing, in the travel to South Africa, I follow him. I just meet and say, boss, how far now that video level, I go take do. Say, I'm too busy, I ain't go take do. You want rest for South? I say, okay, no wahala. Make I go hustle, get some more money for him. Make I block him there, make we shoot out. Okay. Now so we tidy the stuff. So after everything, people begin they come. Record level investors, company, come say. So me, they look and say they respect boss. Okay. And before you come out, before you tear race now, that's still tell boss.
Not be like say, so now because of say I don't help you now.
Yeah,
you
can't tear race. You understand? So I guess just today make I know.
Me not much leg for Butu.
So what as you don't be now, Baba they busy where. You understand? So me, I guess just find my way.
But in no now say you don't come out.
No, you not say me don't tear race.
But in no vex.
No, I'm not.
See
the way guy, even like I'm as I make I go hustle, make I see the ginger now because they look, even they look me, see, this guy, you never finish, you still get things when you won't give your own fans. Okay. So you go first of all finish with your own brand now before you can face another person. Me, I don't look at him say, man, this is my oga, excuse me. Get so much work where you want to do. And me where they corner. I got to find something
before at least he didn't if I can. You have to hold something before something hold you. You know what I mean? So now the next question I go ask you before we go small break. Now say since when you don't do music? Yeah. Since when you don't do music?
Since.
Like how many years?
Since when they born me.
Since when they born you?
I did very close to music. They say my.
Since when they just when you be 1 month old.
my papa they run music stuff. He own thing and he own choir whatever.
Oh choir.
Yeah.
My mama too. This guy na sinner. Sinner. You see, my papa they run his own choir whatever.
So
the thing they worry you for, you know they like choir.
They know the agree make in here where you get some things where I want to do for the choir. I say boy, they here.
Because they know you now. Yeah, when you enter the choir, hey, papaya.
No, they thought the
papaya.
Easy.
Yeah, when you enter the choir, my brother, things will change. Different trees will fall down. Spirit will move around. They never going to show someone that you know. Hey.
So as they do the thing, it come time me. Now for school, my secondary school, I can't get small space. When I did seminary school, they be one make I be priest. So imagine, papaya. So after the whole thing. Imagine when I go there out there. This is one corner me.
They won't make I be priest. Imagine, papaya. They help me.
They won't corner me. They won't chop my macaroni. You understand? So I don't discover myself. So my career, I'm no wahala. Can't do my thing. So
Tango say you not be priest though.
I don't know that priest. that priest makes, if there's a priest, they do music. This is for make sense. But now, as things be now, you man, no, let us go. You don't know.
I don't know. Papaya!
You know, as the country, I don't know what. Priest
No, but see. Now you know get am o. Priest fit still do musical. Then all those reverend sisters, you go to feature them. You know.
Okay. Reverend Father FANZY Papaya.
And then feed the sisters of
Nena.
something, Sister Nena. See, because they get some kind name, Stella Maris. They get some kind double name, Stella Maris.
Mary J.
Okay, it's something J. You understand? Then they go be, they feel we do video vixen for you.
You them Seminary school?
No. Why?
You go block rosary?
No, I no go. Why I take know their name?
As you take no something.
No, I go Madonna University and I Catholic something for there. So I know, I know how not they do things. Anyway, we'll go back to chicken and break. We're going to come back. We'll continue to talk with Papaya himself. Who did they put up for seminary school? Can you imagine Papaya? Hey, oh, Papaya! Welcome back on Top of the Nation. We still get the one and only FANZY Papaya for inside studio. Thank God to say not become priest because I wonder what will happen for the church where him be the priest for there. Yeah, something where Papa see not them enter choir. Yeah, Papaya, left, right, and center. Left, right, therefore pursue you for the church.
No, they miss me. I know what I'm supposed to do there. You understand? I know what I'm supposed to do there.
I like this guy.
Based on calling.
Even the blood crossing where I go, they call me brother. You understand?
So, but what do you think when you go there, when they call you? Now the girls they call you.
No, everybody. No, they want side. Everybody, they coordinate everybody. Even parents, they call me dash meetings. You try our picking, they talk about you. So you feel me now?
I not feel you. I not feel you.
Okay, now people wait there, they feel me. So they feel me now. So everything they miss me. They call me. All time don't pass now. I don't they fry. So I don't feel that. That time if you see me, you gonna say now, hey, no be Papaya, my brother Christian. Brother Christian.
So now okay, now that one be what now be original. What is the original name, Gongo?
My original name, Christian.
Christian
Obiora.
Christian Obiora.
Yeah.
Brother Christian.
Yeah, Christian.
Yeah, Christian.
You know? Bless you. No, I know they do bless you. Now, if they say because I'm going to do bless you. But I'm Christian. So I don't say they miss something.
So, but how long? Like how many years now? If they say, how many years now you can say you don't come out from that seminary school called Enter Music?
No, they push me for seminary school.
What maybe? What do you do? What do you do?
I just go buy something. I know they like draw soup. Every day these people they prepare draw soup. Small money on my money. Now my money my mama give me. I just take and go buy biscuits. Cabin biscuits where I won't take drink tea. I did very small. They catch me. I just there on top fence. This man catch me. Now because I go just arrange one block. Maybe every day they come. It think one day easier for me. If I just come, I buy biscuits. I don't say the man don't see me. Just wait for me for the next day. As I enter, I don't climb. Because I had them like this, but just carry me like this. Don't drop me. That's why I take almost seminary school. Now that's it. I for be priest, but now they come at me. Not be my fault now. My mama cry, beg. They call her father, mama reverend. Do man they jolly after everything.
Hey.
Then
they pursue you.
It's really sir.
Jesus Christ. Papaya, may I ask you? Wait, may I ask you? So now they don't pursue you for seminary. I did not be music. I didn't even say you not enter music. What do you think you for they do?
Omo, I go dey. I feel the ladipo. I do business.
Oh, I like this guy. I like this guy. Move to watch another video from Papaya. Hey, yes, Peppers. For FANZY Papaya. But wait, the name of this song na Lovina called Paulina. Paulina. The first video na Toyin Tomato. So now about women they sing. The other one na Paulina, this one na Toyin Tomato.
I know if you sing for men now, man. You know what I mean? Now for women.
The next one now, if you go be Tatashi or Green Pepper.
Welcome.
Cause you understand?
Shombo.
Which one be Shombo? So now the Shombo now be the next song.
Shombo. As you know Tatashi now, is supposed no Shombo.
Which one be Shombo?
Shombo na that tiny one where they like
Pepper.
Tatashi. Yeah, that pepper.
So now you want to sing about.
And that one, the next one.
So if you go sing about Shombo now, what you go sing? What you go be the chorus now?
If I want to, I go no answer.
No, do one now.
Lelebe, your Shombo they do me oh, one jonjo. Kiliban, your Shombo they sweet me oh, one tinte.
Oh shit.
You know? So if I want to,
Papaya. Now, I ask you, what do you think of before you write your music? What do they inspire your music? I think you just sit down, just reason and just write them. As in, what be that thing when they say they go through your head before you write your songs?
Well, I play with children.
Oh.
They're my friends.
I hope so nobody can play with children when Michael Jackson they play.
Elderly, I hear that one. Nobody say, nobody that kind play for inside.
Okay.
You understand? Just how if you just enter spring, the jangle over all those things. I just done with children. Then elderly people, elders, and always young with them.
No wonder children, people, mama and papa, they like you.
So you feel me? Then me, I get this problem. I know they come out. I always stay indoor. I always stay inside.
So all the people they come visit you.
No,
all the Toyin Tomato.
No, people,
all the Paulina.
I always stay chapel. Once yeah. So you don't go visit me for chapel. You understand? It's either they pray or I dey inside studio or I dey sleep.
Oh, you get chapel for inside your house?
No, my church, they're very adjacent to my house.
Okay.
Holy Trinity, where they my area now. So it's
so as you dey so now, you dey go church, go pray every time. If you not dey house, now you go they pray.
Once I know the church, now studio.
So actually, if you come up from here now, go house for now. Like tomorrow, night person call you. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Night person call up again now. You know they go say where you dey if you dey inside church or studio.
I did studio, and secondly, I did music school, and I did give them attention. When we say you go marry him, you go marry the school.
No, yeah. As you come talk now, say you did music school. You go make me ask you now, like how many songs you don't get so far?
I don't know.
You know if you count songs that you don't get, so which means you dey record almost every day.
I just the record they keep. Got like this early this year. I can't reason I get some songs we don't do my catalog. I just check them. If I still they wait for time, if they are outdated,
so now
I just arrange them, drop album for my people.
Oh, you don't drop album already?
I just drop album, Good and Silver. I just have like 19 tracks on it. So I just drop them because at least na naija big well, but you get some place where you don't get fan base where they feel.
Exactly.
So they don't they ask for, I beg. So I just package them, give them. I know say if I don't drop them, the time where I won't drop official,
the song feel no.
Those ones feel no make them for that one. Make it not be waste of effort. But I carry them, give them.
Yeah, as a businessman that he is now.
As an umbrella man, I carry them, give her buy input them there. So I know we try to do sharp.
Now, I'll quickly, as I don't come up for inside studio now, make I ask you, you don't do collabo with Flavour. Which person you look up to as in now? Which person you say, okay, now this person will look forward to where you want to collabo with again?
Oh, presently now, like now, get one song where I don't record.
Okay.
I don't know whether I go drop them this year.
Okay.
And my team will decide.
Whether you go drop
and the response from the market from people. Okay. Now, Pato Ranking I feature for that one. A very, very tight jam. So you get another one Why I don't record with 2 A-list artists.
Okay.
Or that one, we mention Sha. That one they done too. So, but I go like work with Don Jazzy.
Don Jazzy for production and also for singing as well.
Production and if you know producer, anyone.
If you try put, because any song we try put, they blow.
Anyway, even though I enjoy, I like the guy.
Anyway, so, now FANZY Papaya will get for that studio. I said, come on for that studio. FANZY, I just want to follow you to look for know your songs, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook.
Okay, if you want to follow media plenty, Sha. Anyway, Twitter now at Mr. FANZY Papaya. Okay. Mr. I never marry you. Mr. FANZY Papaya. Then Instagram now at FANZY Papaya.
The FANZY now FANZY.
Then to go. You go meet Nedu. Nedu that chairman want to go.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.